Easter can be so sugary. I have you sorted. When we think and talk about Easter treats, it's just sugar, wheat, dairy, gluten, tummy ache. So I'm here to solve that problem for you right now with the most incredible, sensational, sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, all of the frees. They're there. These Easter eggs are made with a white chocolate almond butter eggs with a white chocolate coating using natural ingredients from our friends at Oh Mega and Crede. They have some amazing products. So I know Omega from their almond butter, which is the best almond butter in the world, and that's why we're making this recipe. But I also wasn't aware that they have this incredible range of like cashew nuts, which I used for the white chocolate, the vegan white chocolate. Have you ever had vegan white chocolate? Girls got your back. Little Easter eggy?
Tasty.
Does it taste like white chocolate?
Very nice.
I want to know how this tastes, Mom.
It looks yummy. It is a very tasty.
Would you give it to your friends?
I give it to my grandchildren.